wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best car seat cushions. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you suffer from discomfort due to a clammy back while on the road, the Zonetech SE0046 might be a smart choice. It features an integrated fan with 2 settings to help keep you cool, though it is noticeably noisy on the higher one. It plugs into 12-volt DC sockets and stays in place well. However, it doesn't offer any extra support. At number 9, the lovehome LHCLK01 provides support at the mid and lower back, as well as the neck, thanks to a cervical pillow that wraps around the headrest. It's made with memory foam that molds to your body to help disperse your weight evenly and relieve pressure spots. It offers a universal fit and is made with quality stitching throughout, but there are no straps to hold it in place. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the XL Life Portable is a versatile option you can put wherever you need it, down by your lumbar, up behind your head, even under your legs if you like. It can double as a comfy regular pillow on long road trips for people sleeping in the back too. It comes with a plush microfiber cover and is also good for use on airplanes. However, it may be too small for some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car seat cushions, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the lovehome LHML001 sits at the base of your spine to offer lumbar support and help ensure you're maintaining good posture while you drive. It's available in 8 colors, and the removable mesh cover should allow for plenty of airflow. It includes an extension strap for wide seats and a 60-day money-back guarantee, but it could be a little firmer. Moving up our list to number 6. The ergonomically contoured aylio coccyx may promote healthy spinal alignment by distributing your weight evenly and reducing pressure on the tailbone. It's made with a therapeutic foam that generally retains its shape well. It's got a smooth and soft velvet cover and a convenient carrying handle. However, it doesn't always stay in place. Halfway up our list at number 5, serving double duty, the Sojoy 4-Season 2.0 SJ219A provides comfort while simultaneously protecting your vehicle's upholstery from stains and damage. These cover both the back and bottom, and even include a portion for the headrest. They're made with wear-resistant materials, sturdy elastic bands, and a quick-release buckle. At number 4, whether you want something to help warm you up on frigid winter days, or need to provide your hamstrings and glutes with a little targeted heat for some muscle relief, the Zonetech SE0018, which plugs into a 12-volt DC outlet, should fit the bill. It features an adjustable temperature, an inline remote control, and strong, long-lasting stitching. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Though it has a slim profile, most will find the sojoy igelcomfort will provide more than enough padding and support for their needs. It's a good option for those who tend to get hot while driving, as it's got a grid pattern to promote air circulation. It's equipped with a non-slip bottom and a removable zippered cover that can be machine washed and dried. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car seat cushions, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, waterproof, fire and scratch resistant, and easy to clean, the Big Ant ZDT-B07 can stand up to plenty of abuse and still remain looking like new. It comes in a 2-pack at an affordable price, making it a good value pick. It's secured at multiple points and includes a small pocket for valuables. It's available in 4 colors. And taking the top spot on our list, the Clever Booster sets your pelvis at an angle that's designed to alleviate pressure on your spine, making it a good choice for sciatica sufferers. It features a coccyx cutout to reduce tailbone pain from long periods of sitting too. It comes with an adjustable strap to keep it in place and a breathable mesh top. It retains its loft well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car seat cushions, or simply click beneath this video.